Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can take scrolling screenshot in Windows 11. So the first step you need to do is to open Chrome Web Store. So once you open Chrome Web Store, click here and here you need to search for Go Full Page, hit enter, and here you can see an extension, click here and add to Chrome, add extension and wait for a few seconds. And now you can see that it is added, so let me pin this. Okay, now I am going on to the page. Let's suppose I am on to the Amazon page and I am watching this product. Let's suppose this product, and I want to save this complete page. So how I can do, so you simply need to click here and here you can see that screen capture in progress, so you need to wait. Okay, once it is complete, here you can see you can download as PDF or as PNG. So click here, allow, and click on this so to find the location. And now you can see that this is the screenshot. You can see from top to the bottom. So this is a process that you need to follow to take scrolling screenshot in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.